What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you can see, today we've got kind of a treat for the channel. Today we are going to be doing a number of tours of some luxury motor coaches here at the Motorcoach Store in Bradenton, Florida. Now this one in particular is going to be the 2023 Prevost Millennium X3-45. It's coming in at just shy of 8,700 miles and a ticket of $1,777,777. If that is not a mouthful to say, but it's pretty darn cool. I got a Loki I'm going to be shooting tomorrow. Just got done with a Renegade, which was essentially if a a semi and a Super C kind of had a baby, that's what you get. But as you can see here on the exterior, you got your two slides over on this side. On the camp side, there's going to be no slide action here. So in this tour, we're going to break it down, go through the full inside, go through the full outside, probably wrap this thing up in about 15 to 20 minutes. But if you don't mind, since today I'm at a new location compared to normal, I'd like a little bit extra engagement. So if you don't mind, drop some comments, say what's up, maybe even thank the Motorcoach Store for having your boy out. Honey Buns is at home right now holding down the fort. We got kids baseball tournaments going on, so it's unfortunate I got to miss that. But since your boy went independent, Dad's got to bring home the bacon, baby. But right here, I mean, goodness gracious, just shy of $1.8 million, and you can feel just about every dollar of it right as you walk in the door. Absolutely stunning. I mean, you got push to close, push to open for the the cabinetry. It's shining up like justice. Here in the front, you actually have a 360 camera, which is pretty darn gnarly. It's one of the first times I've ever seen that on a motorhome. Although granted, you guys know that I'm not the motorhome expert. I'm not pretending to be, but I do know one thing is for sure, is they cut a lot more. They have a better turning radius than you would actually think. The first time I find that out was in a Tiffin, but even watching this thing pull out earlier, it was pretty incredible, the turning radius that it had. So it's sitting on a Volvo engine as well, Prevost chassis, Allison transmission, 500 horsepower. But man, you got all your controls up here. If you guys want some more information on this, I'm going to put a link for the Motorcoach Store and one of their salesmen, so that way you don't have a guy kind of BSing you through the front end of it, because I'm not a huge engine guy. I'm more about the looks, baby. And the looks are looking good. I mean, look at the ceiling right there. And the cool thing is your ACs are actually right here as well. And they're on and blaring too, by the way. So let me be quiet. Very, very quiet system, which is nice. But boy, that looks nice. Now this right here, the sofa, although this is going to be traditionally what I would consider a couples coach for sure, it's nice to be able to have the ability to bring the grandkids, because you got yourself, let's see here, I'm going to bada bing, bada boom. Had to exit that out real quick. You can pull out this sofa right here, and the control for that is going to be right here. So all you're going to do is hit, open, and you're seeing it's kind of shifting. And I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at that. You can use your imagination, but it drops down similar to that of a jackknife sofa. Same thing with the curtains themselves. So, actually I will hit this so that way you can kind of see they're dropping down on their own, but it's really cool to see that. Now I just hit the driver's side. Obviously you have a non-driver side as well. So they're going to be power shades on either end. You got a place to sit down, kick back and relax with your little recliner. And I mean, every touch of this just screams, luxury. Like even down to like the handles on this are pretty darn incredible. So right here, you got kind of your eye port. You can also detach this. You have another one in your bedroom, but you can control every inch here of the coach. So if you want to put on, the TVs, the lights, the shades, the climate, the cameras, you can access that all from right here. But let's go ahead and put the shades back up, because we don't need those down for the entirety of the tour. Now, if you want to sit down, eat, kick back, relax, and just kind of chill a little bit, you do have an area right here where you can play some cards, and it is kind of big kid friendly, big boy friendly, as I like to say. You can turn that sideways, and now you got a little bit of extra room. Maybe even put a chair up there, if you would like. You can also obviously lock that into place, so no worries, on that. But what do you guys think about this? Magazines are kind of dead, but you got a magazine rack if you want there. My wife would load that up with all sorts of books and things of that nature and have a real good time. And you can see a lot of really good storage as we come out over into the side. And I just love the fact of the sheen that's on this. I just had, my truck got detailed, and it just, man, that shine on it is super nice. Not that I'm comparing this to a baseline Ram truck, but I'm a big fan of the shiny. Some people like the matte. I'm a big fan of the shine. Speaking of shine, look at this. Solid surface countertops. Babe, if you're watching, riding in style right there, baby. Oh, broke my ring from tapping it too much. Picked up this ring. Guy diamonds are much less expensive than lady diamonds, and I like it like that. You got that nice little sink going on. You got the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. Another thing that I really enjoy as someone that's got little fingers that comes up, you know, in the, not me, I don't have little fingers. I got very nice fingers, large fingers even, very average fingers. I got kids, and having them reach up and, you know, burn their hands and stuff is something. So you got this little induction action going on. So I like the way that has right there. Got the convection microwave oven. Little hands-free on the strut system. Again, these feel really nice. Ergonomic, is that what they call them? Yeah. Look at that. I get into a fancy motor coach one time and I'm using words like ergonomic. I don't even know if I used it correctly. But I'm not too much of a fancy guy. But I can get down. I read. Although most of my books are centered around aliens and some other things like that. But I think that's okay. Different walks of life. And, you know what I'm saying. Little accent lighting. I love this tiled backdrop. Kind of has like that arrowhead kind of look to it. Just looks super sharp. And then I don't know what this is, but I want to touch it. Just one little boop right there. But man, that's pretty darn cool. You can put whatever you want in there. Look at that. Kind of like a carpet lining right there too, which is really nice. You got a couple outlets. You got more outlets over here too as well with some more overhead storage. Man, really deep pull-out drawer right there too, so I can appreciate that. Probably be a junk drawer, you know, if it was me, but you're going to get 3 of those. Now I'm like questioning each one of the walls. All your air conditioner controls will be located right here. You also have some pull-out drawers. Got to push it as well. But I just think it's so cool that the, you know, refrigerator just blends in with the rest of the coach. I just think that's super nice. I mean, look at that. Just aesthetically, pretty darn cool. So right here is going to be your kind of a shotgun style bathroom situation. You know, obviously you do have some privacy. Like you can use the, you know, the door. All right, so I actually recorded the rest of this video and I get out and I see this bathroom in my 3-minute tour and I'm like, what the heck? Didn't even show the dang thing. But look at this thing. I even like how it's angled right up there. It is such a nice shower. You got the waterfall effect. You got the body sprayers. And then as far as me getting in here, I mean, you even got your shampoos. Almost like a hotel on wheels right there. But I'm 6 foot, 320 for some reference on your size. I mean, you could see just how much extra room I got. You could fit 1.8 roundies in here. No problem. If you're 2 flats, you'd be good to go. But let's get back to the tour. Cool to have that. Right here, you do have your fancy pants toilet. I mean, it's one of the better ones known to man. You even have a bidet on there, so you are going to be covered. You got a mirror to show off the old bowling gun, baby. Look at that bowl. That's some nice stuff right there. Now, heading back into the bedroom, I mean, you got everything that you need. You got plenty of storage, both right and left. Now, this is where you kind of notice that there is no slide out. It gets a little tight for a big guy here rounding the corner, but I'll tell you what, absolutely not a problem, just something to mention. Now right here, you got that. Let me show you the beginning there. I mean, that's pretty nice, and again, it's all kind of that carpet lined, which I'd imagine is probably good for a number of different things. You don't have to push those ones. Look at that. Let me show you it on this side. Pretty cool. Once it gets to about right there, closes down. There is a tablet that you can put right here, which is sitting on that stand up front. There's another one right over there. Obviously, you can see the fact that you got yourself a TV. Then you got more storage going all the way throughout down here. Sona soundbar, TV, a really fancy fan right there too, and it blows the air up, which is surprisingly nice. And then you also have a maintenance hatch right there to get access into your engine. And then you got bada bing, bada boom. Hanging close, and you are good to go. But let me go on the outside here, and we'll go ahead and open up this bad boy, all the storage, and kind of show you what she's looking like. I'm gonna be I'll be learning with you, that's for sure. But man, look how nice that thing is. All right, so again, it is going to be the 2023 Prevost Millennium X3-45, 8,700 miles, $1,777,777. Made it through. That actually is a surprisingly good tongue twister there. Right, let me give you one little look here of the outside, and then I'll pause it, open it up, and get you guys back in the action. But what do you guys think about that awning? So you got an awning here and an awning over there where those LEDs are. But all right, I'll be right back. All right, so I got each and every one of the doors out. So let's go ahead and start showing you this. And right off the bat, very cool. And this is part of my, you know, lack of doing the motorhomes. First time on it, first time learning about them. Am I a master? No. Will I be? Most certainly. But look at this, you got a little latch right here. So you lift that, you snag it, and now you're coming down. But I just wanted to show you how these doors come up and down, because it is very, very neat. Now obviously I'm stopping it right there. But man, what a nice setup you got. I think the, what do the kids call it? Like the suicide door type thing, where it opens up, you know, and you are ready to rock. Obviously the tires on this thing are big, bad, and beautiful. You got your Michelin, the 365s, -70 R22.5s. Plenty of storage here, obviously kind of all over, and that's going to be kind of a repetitive theme. But you're also going to see that you have, you know, kind of some crazy things. Like you got your fuse box right over here. You also have a built-in toolbox. And then this is going to be for your inner vac system. So if you open up that, you can see you got your vac system right there. Kind of more tools. Battery bay. Diesel fuel fill up will be right over here. And then of course you got your, you know, the diesel pusher here up in the back. And again, that is going to be on the Volvo engine, 8,700 miles, 500 horsepower, Allison transmission, 20,000 watt generator on this thing too. And look at the back. You got your backup camera here up top. You also got your 360 cameras going around too, which was pretty incredible. The fact that you can see all the way around this except for where the slide outs are, like right under the slide outs you can't see, but right where I'm standing you can. It's pretty darn incredible. This is going to be that bedroom window, so you can see how well you could see out. You really can't see in. You got your other diesel fuel station right on over here. You're also going to get like a little bit of a sink, so hot and cold water, water pressure, hose reel, water softeners, you know, your manual dumps and all of that. And then I like how all these cords come in on a cord reel along with your water manifold system is there too as well. You're also going to see, you know, your gravity fill, and then you know, your tank flushes. The old stinky slinky right there, lightly used. I made that up. I doubt they want me to say that, but it could be. Who knows? I don't know. It's a used one. You got to check. Look at that. You even got some chairs built into that. My grandpa was a pretty well-off man, and he had one of these in his closet. Never quite knew what the heck's going on. Never quite knew what they're for, but you got some electronics there. I'll probably have to ask him, but you know, by that time it'll be too late. I'll be long gone. I'll be back in Cincinnati. He's out of here, baby. Right there's going to be a little storage tray too that you can yank out. But all right, guys, I know it was quick here on the outside, but you know, never going to get caught BSing you. 2023 Prevost Millennium X3-45. My name is Hunter. Have a great day. See you. Meow, 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 meow. Shoot.